Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow toaster with strawberry jam. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw a simple toaster like this. And a heart in the middle. I draw a circle for its button. Now, let's divide the hole with lines like this. I place a toasted bread on top. Now let's draw a cute face. I draw the two cute eyes and its open and smiling mouth, its cheeks. How yummy! Now let's draw a jar of strawberry jam next to it. Its lid. Let's draw a simple strawberry. Like this. So yummy! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the heart with this red marker. Now let's use the rainbow colors for the rest of the toaster machine. I use orange, yellow, dark green, blue, and finally purple. For the legs of the toaster, I use pink. I color the button in the front with fuchsia, dark brown, I color the toast with light brown. I color the mouth with two different shades of red. Pink. Let's color the jam. I color the strawberry red. And green for the leaves. Light purple for the lid. I color the glass light blue. I use this red marker here. Oops, there is not much jam in the jar. I use yellow for the seeds. And finally, I use this marker around the strawberry, fuchsia. Then I use this blue marker here. And I add a little pink to the background. So yummy! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.